Welcome to the most exciting sport on earth. The world's most fearless riders, the fastest bikes, the most forward-thinking manufacturers. This is the hunt, and there can only be one winner. We ride to the edge of possibility. Our riders and machines are always first on the throttle, last on the brakes. The riders, athletes with hunter mentality, at the peak of physical fitness, talent and skill, and always calculating their next move. The manufacturers, creators of the most advanced bikes on the planet, capable of speeds above 360 kilometers per hour, purpose-built for MotoGP with pioneering engineering, creating blistering acceleration, ultimate precision and absolute performance. Unrideable to mere mortals, tamed only by our riders. We ride to the edge of your seat with more overtakes, more drama, and more adrenaline. The rear wheel drifts, the fastest laps, the final corner moves, the reigning champions, the plucky underdogs, the legends and the upstarts. The times when you can't look, and those when you can't look away. We ride with purpose, with pioneers and visionaries working tirelessly not just for the win, but for the future of our sport, our technology, and our planet. Their eyes not only on the checkered flag, but on that ever-moving finish line called progress. We ride together as one global racing family, with the riders, the teams, the engineers, the technicians, the broadcasters, the truck drivers, the cooks, the hospitality staff, the sponsors, the many individuals all united in the goal of glory, with every kind of fan, the every weekenders, the first timers, the forever fans, the never misser flaggers, the home track faithfuls, the destination circuit holidayers, the day trippers, the Sunday sofa viewers, the ones we've known forever and the ones we haven't met yet, cheering from the stands or at the screen. Whoever you are, wherever you come from, we are one garage. Be part of it. We saved you a seat. It's time for MotoGP. For the nail-biters and the overnighters. For the finger-peepers and the thrill-seekers. For those born on two wheels and those used to more. For the race day countdown and the final sprint. For the fair weather fans, for the flag-to-flag obsessed, for the legacy viewers, and tomorrow's newcomers, for the try-this-at-homers, for the podium celebrators, and the sofa-seated faithfuls.
Cleared at the front. Green flag clears at the back. It's lights out and we are racing in MotoGP here. This is MotoGP at its very best.
For the chase,
What a move that was! Can you believe it? How much more drama?
For the win.
Unbelievable.
For all of us.
It is pure magic.
MotoGP. Faster, forward, fearless.